Hello to everyone and welcome to another Adventure Story channel video. Today I feel necessary to make this video because also as all the people were looking the stars, I have a need to share with you an exciting thing about what just I have seen. Maybe for you it will be very interesting, but maybe not. Who knows? We will discover it together. And as I was looking on the moon, I discovered some very interesting. Okay, just think how much you can see of the moon when you are looking inside a small telescope. What you can see like that, maybe a little bit more. And if you see here in this corner, you can see the eye altitude, which is around 1105 kilometers. I will zoom more, okay, and we will go to 300 kilometers, which is quite enough. As you can see, I turned the moon and I have a better view on the ground. But how much we actually see? This is the question. Let's compare it with the Earth, okay, which have 3 times or 4 times the size of moon, okay. Let's see the same distance. What actually we see from this distance? Okay, let's go now to Earth. The Earth is loading now. And here we will have a clear answer about that. Let's wait a little bit more. And let's say, okay, I am living in Athens here. Let's zoom in and let's go to 300 kilometers. Just remember that I told you before, the Earth is 3 or 4 times bigger than Moon. So from 300 kilometers we actually cannot see the most of the main made structures. That means only the China Wall we can see, which is 5,000 kilometers in the length. Okay, we can see some features of the Earth. Okay, we can see mountains, rivers or lakes, but we cannot see small structures like houses. Okay, let's zoom here in green area, okay, and let's see how small is a road or a house, even a house. Okay, just remember I zoomed to green. Okay, look how much, and I have a clear view of some buildings about just 3 or 4 kilometers with the limit, okay, to see that there's some buildings. That means if I need to see something in the moon, let's go to the moon, back, loading take place, just wait, and we try to look for structures or something which is man-made. It is very difficult, okay, even we have clear images. Okay, you can see here this section of the moon from Google Earth. Okay, it's not clearly visible. Okay, the resolutions, it's not so good, and this here, this part is the best images, okay, which is uploaded now. And let's zoom to 2 kilometers to see any features. Okay, from we are now 28 kilometers, 21. Okay, let's zoom more, and as you can see also now it's not so clear. Okay, even 2 kilometers we cannot see nothing. The resolution is not so good. I believe, and the purpose that I made this video if we have a clear resolution of the surface of the moon, we will be possible to identify some buildings. Here we have a cross here, okay? This is maybe from the photo, okay? And this here, this is a line, okay? Which, as you can see, passes also from this hole. Okay, that means that something was flow there, or it's a crack on the earth. Okay, the moon, it's very, very important to see it and identify what is exactly located on the surface. This is very important. Look here, look this crater, okay? This one. Okay. It's very, very strange, okay? From this one. The impact of this one, this circle, means that was falling vertically, okay? And this one here, the rocks was coming from an angle, okay? That's why a impact. You can see also the wave, how the landscape is marked here, and how the matter distribute from the blast, okay? It's very important. But as I tell you, it is also important to have clear resolution of images. Still, we don't have this opportunity, okay? Because here in this place, maybe it's hiding a civilization. Really, why not? Just remember, in 70s and 60s, US was already in the moon, okay? Why before old civilizations was not already in the moon, on moon, okay? Just look, how big is this mountain, okay? And what is possible to be hiding here from this shadow. This is the shadow from the mountain, okay? And as we know, here in this place it's plus 160 degrees Celsius, and here in the shadow it's minus 200, because as you know, in the moon we do not have atmosphere. Okay, it's very, very nice to have a look on these craters, on these schematics which was made by nature. Also this, you can see the shadow points this place, okay? That means this is a mountain. If we try to identify the height of this mountain, okay, the height, we will take the ruler and we take with meters, okay? It will not be the length of the shadow, it will be less, okay? This is obvious, but it will be about 1/3 of the length of the shadow, maybe 1/4. That means if it's 7,000 meters, as you can see here, 7,000 meters divided by 4, okay, how much it's going to be? 7,000 meters divided by 4, it will be 1750, about, maybe a little bit less, maybe 1,000 meters about. the height, okay, in the total. It's quite big mountain, okay, and can hide also a lot of things inside. This is also very, very important. Okay, we can measure. Let's go to Dubai. Okay, let's go to Dubai to see the shadow of Burj Khalifa. Okay, but we need the shadow, okay, when it's at the lowest point, the sun is at the lowest point. To compare that, we need to know also exactly the angle of the sun to find. But let's make a little bit a test, okay. Let's go to Dubai. Let's write here Dubai, and let's find Burj Khalifa in some time of hour. Okay, here we are. Sorry that my internet is a little bit slow, and Burj Khalifa is located somewhere here. Okay, this is the airport, this is the international airport, it's somewhere here. Okay, one moment please, one more. Okay, it's here. I can see the pool, the big pool. Okay, as you can see here, okay, it's about 11 o'clock. Yes, correct. Let's take out all the roads, one moment, to have a clear vision what we are calculating. And also let's see previous years, maybe the photos was taking more earlier, okay, when the sun is at lower position. Okay, this one. Okay, as you can see, Burj Khalifa height is how much meters? 800 meters about. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's measure it from here, from this angle. One moment, sorry. Okay, about, okay, about, this is from this angle. You cannot have exactly measurements, but let's see, it's about 800 meters. Okay, let's measure the length of shadow. It's 1 kilometer, and just remember what we measure on the moon. Okay, just remember we measure 6 or 7 kilometers. Just imagine what mountains is about 1 or 2 kilometers on the moon and what they hide. Okay, this is some beliefs, okay, some things that I have in my mind. I like also to share with you, so I believe you are excited. And we are waiting to load the moon again, our big moon. And remember, your eyes cannot exactly focus to the moon, and you cannot understand the exactly distance. You cannot feel. You can feel that the moon is closer to you. In reality, it's quite far enough, and it's a small dot on the sky. Let's see again here. Okay, let's see this crater. How many meters it is? It's 32 kilometers. 32 kilometers. Just imagine, 32 kilometers, okay, wide. And here it's the meteorite, which probably transfer some kind of life on the moon. But because the atmosphere, it's not thick enough, maybe these bacteria die, okay, or some living organisms. But I believe they are more stronger and they survived. And let's see now our island Santorini, okay? I believe most of you know this island. Let's see island Santorini, okay? Which have volcanic eruption last 4,000 years. As you can see from the below, all the island was separated and through to the different pieces. This is the blast, okay? It's something different, okay? But let's measure here the distance of the crater, okay? It's only 11 kilometers wide, and this explosion of volcano, which made and one civilization here in Crete, Minoan civilization, disappear, okay? And mega tsunami, as you know, disappear all living human in this area together with Minoan civilization. Just imagine this blast, 7 kilometers wide, okay, volcano, and in distance of 100 kilometers disappear with tsunami. And compare here on the moon this crater. Just imagine how strong and how big was that collision, okay? And this is not the biggest crater on the moon, okay? The moon have much bigger craters, okay? This is one of them, which have Greek name. And this here, just check here, okay? Check here these features, okay, which we see before with this shadow. Let's just measure this shadow, how far it is. It's 40 kilometers shadow. Just imagine how big is this feature. It's very important to learn the moon, okay? You can see here some different white coloring. I cannot see exactly what is it. We do not have clear enough. Okay, this is guys from Google Earth who wants to check that. And here also have a big impact on the moon. Just checked here what happened. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Adventure Story channel. Don't forget to subscribe and your likes. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.